Here's an easy recipe to make milk bread. To begin, we will need to group the ingredients into 2 parts. You will need milk, sugar, and active dry yeast. For part 2, you will need flour, sugar, salt, an egg, and melted butter. First, for part 1, heat the milk for 15 to 30 seconds until warm. Add the sugar and yeast to the milk and mix well. Let the mixture sit for 10 minutes. For part 2, put the flour in a bowl, add the sugar and salt, then add the melted butter, 1 large egg, and the yeast mixture from part 1. Mix well in the bowl until all the ingredients are combined. Now put the dough ball onto a well-floured surface. Add a few teaspoons of oil to the dough ball to help make the dough less sticky. Knead the dough for 10 minutes. Kneading means to squeeze or massage. Now oil the inside of a large bowl and put the dough ball inside. Cover it with cling wrap and cover with a towel. Let the dough in the bowl rise for 1 hour. Once the dough is ready, it should look double the size. Gently press and release the air inside the raised dough. Roll the dough into a circle shape and cut it in half. Flatten and roll the half into a rectangular shape and cut it out into 3 pieces. Save the other 2 parts to the side. Fold the sides to the center, then roll it flat. Next, roll the dough and gently pinch the ends. Place the rolled dough into a parchment-lined bread pan. Roll the other pieces in the same way. My brother rolled the other half of the dough in the same way. Now, to make the top of the bread shiny, you can prepare something called an egg wash. To make the egg wash, add 1 egg with a tablespoon of milk. Mix well and brush the mixture on top of the dough. Put the bread in the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes until the top is golden brown. Let the bread cool and enjoy! Hope you liked our video. Please subscribe.